AAA DME, also known by our DBA, Help to Moms, is a licensed and accredited medical equipment provider based out of Nashville, Tennessee. We are certified as a minority-owned business by the state of Tennessee. Our focus is providing medical equipment for expecting mothers, as well as mothers in postpartum. We offer a unique perspective on DME, using equipment that is not normally thought of as being used by expecting or new mothers. Signature products include breast pumps, compression therapy devices, and multiple solutions for low back pain. After filling out a short order form, the requested equipment is shipped direct to your patient. Our commitment to quality and high patient satisfaction has allowed us to reach mothers in need across the country with an interdisciplinary approach. To learn more, contact us at www.helptomoms.com today. We help moms to be have safer, more comfortable pregnancies.